Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Brazilian shuffle dance. Let's start by understanding the basic step, which involves a simple side-to-side movement. Imagine you're lightly tapping your feet, one after the other, while keeping your body relaxed. The key is to shift your weight from one foot to the other with each tap, making it feel like a continuous flow. Don't worry about speed yet, focus on getting the motion right. Now let's refine your footwork with the T-step, a core shuffle move. One foot pivots heel to toe while the other taps out to the side. For example, as your right heel pivots outward, your left foot taps. Then, switch. Keep your knees slightly bent. This adds a natural bounce and makes the movement much smoother. Practice this alternating motion, focusing on control rather than speed. To truly bring your Brazilian shuffle to life, let's add some style and rhythm. Your arms can move naturally, perhaps swinging gently or pointing to accentuate your footwork. Think of them as extensions of your body, helping with balance and adding flair. Allow your hips to sway with the movement of your feet. This creates a more authentic and fluid look. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through your dance. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering the Brazilian shuffle. Aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily to build muscle memory and confidence. Dance to your favorite music with a strong, consistent beat to help you internalize the rhythm and timing. Remember, the goal is to make the movements feel natural and effortless. And speaking of valuable resources, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book, along with other great deals. Keep dancing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.